Hello everyone, welcome to the ICRA Technology. Today we are going to learn how to make financial dashboard. This is a financial dashboard. So why we need this financial dashboard? So because of financial dashboard makes it easier to manage your businesses finances by showing all the important information in one place. Also it helps you quickly understand how your business is doing financially and lets you make smart decisions based on real data. I have already extracted the data of financial dashboard in Excel. So this is a financial dashboard data. So here are some tables in financial dashboard. So this is account table. In that here we have one column for section. It divides account in balance sheet and profit loss sheet. So after that we have classification, account classification, then account type. These are the account type. Then we have account subtype, also account, and then ID. Here are the name of accounts. Then account sort order for sorting. Then account join for to join other tables. And here is the company. In that we have QR solution and unique solution. These are the two companies. After that we have account sort table. In that we have account sort for the sorting the accounts serialized. Then this is a type, which type of account is non-expenses or expenses. After that we have company table. In that we have the company names, QR solution and unique solution. Then we have customer table. In that we have customer parent, then customer full name, billing countries, then shipping countries, billing address, shipping address, open balance. Open balance is also balance of accounts. Then ID, this is also parent reference ID. Then company. Then we have another table for general dashboard. This table tracks detailed financial transaction data, and also it includes information about the type of transactions, amount, dates, clients, vendors, and related accounts. So in that we have columns like date, transaction type, names, vendors names, employees, quantity, rate, then accounts, then year, start date, end date, then amount, after that tax amount, report basis. These are two types of report basis, accrual and cash. Then also same company. After that we have another table. This is a invoice table. This table tracks detailed information about the transaction including customer info. In that we have columns like ID, document number, transaction date, customer reference value, then customer name, due date, current date, due days. These are the days which overpass the due date. From the due date, this category divide the days in categories, then total amount, balance and company. After that last we have vendors. In that vendor table, detailed information about the vendors like ID, vendor, then company name, billing country, billing address, phone number, balance and company. After vendor table we have another one table which is AP aging. This table tracks account payables transaction. In that table we have date column, then type of transaction, which type transaction are, then due date. This date is the last date to we have to pay the amount. Then these are the dates after date, how many days we have passed. Then AP amount, this is the amount. Then category, this is a bucket of aging. Then location, then vendor, category sort, and this is a company. After understanding the data, we need have to load the data in Power BI. For that, we have one option here in the navigation of Power BI, Get Data, and when we click on that, here are the some common data sources. So our data in Excel, so choose Excel workbook and choose file. After that, we have to click on all the tables for load and click here on load. So tables processing to load. It will takes little bit time for loading the all the data, so you have to just wait. Then after that, if we want to change something, then we have to go in transform data, and whatever you want to change in data, you have to change from here. After that, we have to close and apply, and then if you want see your data in tables, then here are the one option for table view. You can see your data in tables format. After that, we have to join our table. For that, we have one model view. So here are our tables, and we have to join all the tables. For that, first we have to adjust properly. After adjusting, we have to create joins. So in account sort and account, we have common account. Just drag and save. Then in account and general ledger, account to account join type. In general ledger and company, company to company. In the general ledger also date, so connect with date. In invoice we have transaction date and in date, so join them. After that, here we have customer reference value, and in customer we have ID, so join. After that, we have to company to AP aging by company, and and vendor to vendor, and company to customer, company. These are the joins for our financial dashboard. So let's make the dashboard. After that, we have to create like that shape. For that, we go in insert, and from the shapes we have to choose rectangle, and first we have give the format. Height is 720, width is something 240, from horizontal give 5, and after that we have go in shape style. Also we can give the rounded corner for this shape. To give rounded corner, increase the pixels like that. We can also give the color. So this is a color of our background shape. This is a more darker than we have choose. So after that we have to insert and choose the image for the logo. Give size and 220. Then we have to adjust our logo. After that we have to open this background color, so our logo is visually good after background white color. After logo we have one shape. For that, go in shape and choose one horizontal line. So give the height 20, width also 220, then drag on the shape, and from shape style we give the fill color is white, and also border color is white. Now it looks good. After that we have one button for reset. So from button we have to choose reset and drag a little bit downside on the shape, and in button style we have to open the text and give text button. For the button, reset filters and increase the font size 12. Also you can make it bolder bold, sorry, and give font color is white. After that, for the icon, choose also white color, and then we have to give action for this button. So open the action and choose clear all slicers. So this is a reset button. After reset filter button, we have some filters. For that we have choose slicer from the build panel and give the format, size and style. Height is 65, width is something 220, and drag on the shape and add the infield company. After that we have to go in slicer setting and From the style we have to choose drop down and also open the show selector, and in values we can change the font size value and other things. For that, from the values we have three slashes, so we just copy and paste for others. In second filter we have basis, report basis, so just add in the field. And in third filter we have the year, so remove first from the field, and from that table we have to add year. After that we have to give format. For that we have choose company and open the slicer header, give the font Sijo UI, font color is white, and background color is same as our background shape up. Close the pending icon, and from the size and style also close the background. For values, from in background we have to give white color so it can visual properly. So after that we have to just from the home choose format painter and click on the other filter. So with the help of format painter we can give easily format other filters. So this is our filters. We have to one shapes from shapes here, so just control copy paste this shape and adjust it properly. After that we have some page navigators. For that we have to first add page and rename it. So first is income payables. So now we can add the from page from the insert, and in the button we have the navigation, and here is a page navigator. So after adding page navigator, so first we have to change its orientation from horizontal to vertical, and then give the size and style. From height is like 220 and width is also 220. So we can increase also height up to 250. So after that we have to is a option for if we want to give rounded corner, so just increase the pixel. And after that we have style option, so here is the style for the buttons, and on default we have to close all the background color and also border color. Just for the text we have to increase the text like 12 and give the font color to white. And also for the selected, if we want to we have to give white color and make it bold so it can different little bit. So after that we have some KPIs: revenue, COGS, gross profit percentage, in net income, net profit margin. For that we have here one card option. So I have to put the values in that. So firstly, total net sales. After net sales we have cost of goods sold. So this is cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is a total cost of making or delivering the products a company sales. After that we have gross profit. Gross profit is a revenue minus cost of goods sold. Then after that we have gross profit margin, and then net income, and last is net profit income, or sorry, net profit margin. So after adding all the KPIs we have to give them format. So firstly present 115 height and 1020 width. So drag the upper side. After that we have to give these values style. For that we have to choose Sejo UI, and 20 is good. You can change the color here also. After that give the alignment in middle. So we have to change also their labels. For that you can select here and give the labels. Okay, and position is above value. You can make it bold. Also same for goods. Other ones. This is box. This is a gross profit. And increase the size of font. So give color. After KPIs we have line and cluster columns also. Click on from the grid and give format like height is 285, width 500, horizontal 252, and vertical 115. After giving format, so add values. On a y-axis we have year, quarter, and month name. After that we have on column y-axis total net sales. So select, and for line we have growth. So line y-axis is growth. After that we have to filter for here 2024 and close the filter. After that we have chart background, so choose color for chart background. Also we have border for chart, so choose something like this black color. If you want to give rounded corners, then you have to increase your pixels. And then we have to title for chart year over year growth net sales, normal, and font Q like say CGO UI semibold, and then text color Q black, background is white, and alignment in center. After that we have to open the divider and give color black, and then we have x-axis, so font is CGO, increase the size of font and give black color, and close the title of x-axis. And then we have y-axis, so range give minimum 0, and for values CGO font and size increase 10. Then choose color for values black, and then here also close the title. After we have secondary y-axis, so just increase the size and give color black for secondary y-axis. And then we have legend, so legend's position is top center and color is black, close the title. Then we have grid lines, so we have to give grid line colors like this, and solid, horizontal, then vertical we have grid lines, choose same color and choose line style solid. After grid lines we have column, for giving column color open the color panel and like drags. Here I have to give this color. Then we have lines, for line we have dash, and joint type is milter with 2 pixel, and color is for line is black. After that we have to give markers on the line, so op open the show for all categories, and shape type is, here are some shape types, so I have to give a field square. Also you can increase or decrease the size of shape. So after that we have to give data labels. For growth we don't need to give data labels here, and total net sales we have to give color is black and increase the little bit height for 10. And after that This is how completed our line and cluster column chart. So second is also line and cluster chart. Second chart is also line and cluster column chart. So copy and paste and give size and style 6 768 and vertical is 115. After that remove the fields, and for here we have in on y axis year, column and month, and for column y axis is total net sales, and box cost of goods sold, and for line we have, and for line we have gross profit margin. So add in line y axis, and we don't need to change size and style and font of x axis y axis because we copied first chart, so this is already same like 10 color black. So we just need to change column colors. For total net sales here, give first column chart, and for cost of goods sold change the color like here, and then give the line color black, and after line in data labels we have to close gross profit margin value and cost of goods sold value. After that, when we hover, we can see the values of gross profit margin and cost of goods sold. We change the names here. You can change from here also. Net sales and cost of goods sold. And third is gross margin. So, and after that we have to change the main title of our chart. So title is net sales versus cost of goods sold versus gross margin versus monthly. So this is our second line and cluster column chart. So after that we have one horizontal bar chart. For that we have to choose the cluster bar chart and give the size and style. Here also same 285, 500, 252, and vertical something like 2 425. Okay, this is good. So in that horizontal bar chart we have the invoice total amount by customer. So customer parent on y-axis and invoice amount in x-axis. So give the background color, and for after visually border also. In title we have to give invoice totals by customer parent, and give font semi bold. 15, text color is black and background is white, and alignment in middle. Also open the divider and give colors black but little bit light, and after that we have to close the title, and in values we have to increase the size of y-axis and give color black. After in x-axis we have to give values 10 font size and black as a color, and close here also title. After x-axis here is grid line, so change the color, and then in bar we have to change color like this. So same color like we have to use in line and cluster chart. So just open the color panel, and here is our color. Then after we have to open the data labels, and in data labels we have to increase the size of values and give black color. Also you can give background color also like this, and this is our horizontal bar chart, invoice total amount by customer. After that we have also another one horizontal bar chart. For that copy paste and give size and shape like horizontal 768 and vertical 425. After that remove the fields. In that chart we have to use name as a as on y-axis, and for x-axis is GL amount, so QVC amount, this is GL amount. Then we have some filters in this chart, so classification, drag and drop here and choose expense, and then also another one is from date, year, and choose 2024. These are the filters on that chart. After that we have to change our chart title. So X expenses by GL amount. So this is our dashboard sheet. After dashboard sheet we have income statement. Next sheet. This is this shape and KPIs I have just copy and paste from dashboard sheet in all sheets. So now income statement. So income statement also known as a profit and loss statement, and it shows how much money a business made or lost over a specific period. So let's begin to start or create this statement. So so this is a matrix table we have to create on that table our income statement. So you can import this table or chart from get more visuals. So now we have to give format 605 height, 020 width, from horizontal 252 and vertical 110. So now we have to add fields or data in the rows, column and values. For that, in rows we have to add accounts. After that, in columns we have to add company, and in values we have to add current year, prior year, and difference percentage. So here I have made some DAX, so just put here in values difference and difference percentage. So now we have to give format or style our income statement. So firstly we have to, in company filter, select all and unselect this is blank, so we don't need this. Give the for style and shape, background is nothing. For grid vertical I have to add it like something. I think this is better. So now for outline also giving same color. In option, increase the padding to. In column style we have to give 240 for accounts, and for here give just 120 or maybe 110 is sufficient. Give for all the same pixel upside 110. After giving columns style we have option for row headers. In font color give black and background white. You can also change alignment from here, so remain. After that we have to open this for expand rows, and also give here font and background color. And for our in outline we have to choose frame, so it can shape like a frame, and increase the size text to 10. And in option don't need to change. In row expansion increase the indent size 11. After that in values we have formatting, so give the color of black in font color and white in background color, and increase the text size so values can be chosen properly. After values we have total, so open the column subtotals. This is a column subtotal, so give format total. I think here is nothing to change. So after that we have to add the some formulas, like in we have in our sheet income, total net income, these rows are not, so we have to add. And for that we have to edit the table, and just here wherever we want to add, just income is a above of service revenue, so right click on service revenue and add row before. Click on that and give the name income sub in subtotals. So we have to format here. Font color is black and background color is like this, so it's looking better. Also change outline and thickness and outline color. After that we have total net income. So after divided it, right click and add row after. So total net income, and here in formula we have to just click on the all fields: service revenue, interest income, sales revenue, rental income and divided income. So we can see here addition, and this is our total net income. After that we have one row for cost of goods sold. So just click on raw materials and add row before and give the name cost of goods sold. After that we have here total cost of goods sold. These are the accounts, and in uh, all these accounts addition is total cost of goods sold. So we have to add after payroll tax total cost of goods sold, and in formula we have to just click on the all accounts, so it adds in every account or addition for the addition free. Packaging suppliers, subcontractor base, and payroll tax. This is after total cost of goods sold. We have gross profit, so right click on that and add row after. So give the name of gross profit, and gross profit formula is total net income minus total cost of goods sold. So this is a formula of gross profit. After that we have to add one blank space row, so just add row and for that change style to total, and in format for total we have to give background color as a white. After that we have expenses, so just click on fuel and add row before and give the name expenses. After that we have total vehicle expenses. Expenses means how much money takes for fuel, maintain, repair, insurance. So we have to add all them. So after vehicle loan interest we have to add row after. for total vehicle expenses, and in formula we have to add all the accounts: registration, tolls and parking and vehicle loan. So this is a total vehicle expenses. After that we have total insurance, add row after total insurance, and in formula select the all accounts. After total insurance we have total payroll expense. So for that, after employee salaries and wages, add row after and give title payroll total payroll expense. These are the all accounts in total pay expense. That's why I have created after the total employee salaries and wages. So now we have to add all the accounts: benefits, payroll taxes, workers compensation, retirement contributions, service pay, servants, payroll processing, employees education and training, uniform expense, temporary labor, and employee salaries. Yes, these are the all accounts in total payroll expense. After that, we have total fixed expense. So rent, utilities, amortization, amortization of patents and amortization. These are the four accounts in total fixed expense. So I have to create after amortization one row for total fixed expense, total fixed expense, and in formula add fourth accounts. So we get the amounts. So after that we have variable expenses. For that we have to create after total expense row variable expense expense. So this is a blank, and after that we have total variable expenses. After variable expense we have total variable expense. So for that we have to add all this account from advertising to holiday parties. So I have to add here, add row after, and give the name total variable expense, total variable expense, and add all the accounts. in that. Advertising, shipping, office supplies, commission, legal fees, consulting fees, then utilities, postage, bank fees, client meals, staff entertainment, business meeting meals, travel meals, and holiday parties. So these are the accounts in total variable expenses. So after total variable expenses, we have total expenses. So just after that, we have to add one row for total expenses and give the name total expenses. In that, we have to formula add total vehicle expenses, then after that total insurance, then total payroll expense, then total fixed expense, and the last one is total variable expenses. These are the accounts or the total sum of these all the fields is equals to total expenses. So this is total expense. After that we have net operating income. So right click on the total expenses and add one row for net operating net operating income, and for net operating income we have the formula gross profit minus total expenses. Total expenses. This is the formula for total net operating. So after that we have remaining 5 accounts, and these 5 accounts are in the total other expenses. So after non-operating expenses, right click and add row after total other expenses, and formula for that just add the remaining accounts in that, and we get the values. So after total other expenses we have net other income. So right click and add row net other other income. Net other income formula is total other expenses into minus 1. This is the net other income, and after that we have lastly add one row for the net income. This is a income which is we get after all the money, and after net other income we have net income. This is the amount of whole money after. It is like a amount which is shows the business how profit, gain or loss. So for net income we have just add net operating income plus net other income. So this is a net income formula. After that we have to just click on back to report, and here is our report. So we have to give name of our field. So here this is a current year, this is a prior year, over here, and this is a difference of current and private year percentage, and this is a difference of current and prior year amount. So this is a income sheet for current year and prior year for QR Solution and Unique Solution Company. This sheet is year wise. We have another one sheet for month wise. So this sheet is for your exercise. You can create this sheet for exercise. So I am creating this sheet and explain you after the creating, and also tell you how to create these buttons. So you can go one sheet to another sheet. So this is a second sheet of income year or month wise, and first sheet is this. So now we have to create buttons for going both sheets. So click on insert, and from button we have to add just two blank. So first is one and another. So first give height and width 235 width, and give some horizontal and vertical space 0.5 vertical. Also give same for him. After that we have to give name both. So income statement by annually and income statement by manually monthly, sorry. So now we have give the name income statement by annually and copy paste monthly. So now give the format in button style, increase the rounded corner to 10, and in font CSOU as the font, and you can increase the font size 12, give the color black. This is alignment in center. After that also you can give the color, background color. So and also give border color. So width, I want to decrease the width, 2 is sufficient. So just copy, and so uh, now we have to give the navigation. So open bookmark and selections. So in bookmarks, add two bookmarks, give name annually and monthly. So these are the two buttons and these two are tables. So first for that, give the action, you select type bookmark and annually. For second, click on monthly and action bookmark monthly. So now we have to select all fours, and we want show first annually. So click and hide month wise table and click on annually and update here. So same process for the second, manually hide the first chart and right click and update. Now we can see our buttons are working or not. So first is annually and second is monthly. So this is a navigations or buttons to change the chart. Now this is our income statement. After income sheet we have account receivable sheet. Account receivables shows the information about what others have to pay you. So in this sheet we have one horizontal bar chart, then donut chart and one matrix. So start with the horizontal bar chart. From the build we have to choose cluster bar chart and give the format. Height is 260, width 500, from horizontal 252 and vertical 105. After formatting we have to add fields in the chart. So we have customer parent on y-axis and in x-axis we have the amount for which is balance. So after adding the fields we have to give format. For first we have to give background color, so give light gray. Also open the visual borders. Then on y-axis font is CGUI, increase the font size and give color dark black. After value we have to close the title. Same with the x-axis, give 10 size and choose black color and close the title. After in the grid lines we have the only vertical grid lines, so choose color and from the line style choose dash. After grid lines we have to give bar color. For that we have this color. So and after bar color we have to open data labels. Position is outside in. Then in the values increase the font size and give dark black color and then open the background color and choose white and give transparency 60. So after that one thing we have to give title our bar chart. So title is amount by customer. So amount by customer and choose font color, font size, sorry, CGUI semi-bold and give 13 font size and choose black color text color black and background color white. Also choose the alignment in center. After giving title we have to open the divider, so and give color lighter. So this is our horizontal bar chart. Horizontal bar chart. After that we have donut chart. So from the build choose the donut chart and give size and position. Seven 68 and 105 from after giving size and position. We have to add fields in the chart. For that we have from the in legend category and in values we have sum of values. So now we have to give for background we have to choose gray. Also open the visual border. In title we have to give aging column open balance. Font we have to choose Sijo UI symbol size 13. Text color is black and background color is white. Also give the alignment in center. After giving title we have to open divider and choose color. Then we have to close the title of legend and give color black. After giving legend, after formatting legend we have to open detail labels and in values we have to increase the font size and give color black. So this is our donut chart, and then we have one matrix table. For that we have to import the or choose matrix table from the build and give the format. It is 340 width, just increase and give first for horizontal 252 and align, and from vertical we have to give 375. After that we have to add the field in matrix table. In matrix table we have first customer parent, then customer full name. After in rows we have in column category, and in values we have balance. After adding the values we have to give format. So format panel, choose the background color gray and open visual border and give letter black. Then in the grid open the vertical and give little bit dark color. After giving vertical grid lines, in border we have to choose black color. In option we have to increase the to. Then we have one option for values. Here increase the size of font 12, CGI font and font size 12. Text color is black, background color is white. We have here alternate, so in the alternate color we have to give the text color also black, and for alternate color we have to adjust little bit other color. Then in the column headers increase the font size and text color is black, background is white. After that here is the header alignment. First is left and second is sorry first is mid and second is title alignment left. Then we have row headers, so also here increase the font and give color black and background color white. Alignment is left. After this we have column subtotals, so just give the text color black and close the values. And then we have row subtotals. Here also give the text color as black, and after we have here column grand total, so give text color black and row grand total also, text color black. After that, one last thing, we have to give title for our chart. So open the title, and title is aging colon expand view, expand to view invoice, invoice hash, and give the font color, sorry, font CGS symbol, and font size is 13. Text color here also black, and background color is white, and choose the alignment in center. Also open the divider and give color lighter black. So this is our matrix table, and this is also our account receivable sheet. After account receivable sheet, we have another one sheet in our dashboard, account payables. Account payable sheet tells you what or how much amount you have to pay others, like suppliers, vendors. So in this chart, in this sheet, we have one horizontal bar chart, then one donut chart, and matrix table. So first we have to create horizontal bar chart, open balance by vendor. So in Power BI, we have to choose cluster bar chart and give the size and position to 60, height, width 500, from horizontal to 52, and vertical 105. After giving size and position, we have to add fields in the chart. So from APH, we have to add on y-axis vendor, and on x-axis AP amount. Then we have to give the background color our chart. So choose gray. Then also open the visual border and give little bit light color. After giving size and style, give the title. Title is open balance by vendor. Open balance by vendor. Then in font we have to choose CGO UI symbol, and font size is 13. For text color we have to give black color, and title background color is white, and also alignment in center, and open the divider. After giving title, in y-axis we have to increase the font size 10 and give color black for text. Then we have to close the title. This is the changes in y-axis. After that we have to changes in x-axis. So give minimum is 0 in range. Then for value, increase font size, and also here also give color as a black, and close the title. After that we have option grid lines for vertical. So choose darker black color, little bit darker, and from line style choose dash. Here is one another option is bars color. So give the color this. Then we have to open the data labels. In data labels, position is outside in, and then in values, increase the size of font, Sequoia, and choose color black for values, and also open the background color and give white color, and transparency is 60. So this is our horizontal bar chart. Open balance by vendor. After that we have one donut chart. So first we have to import from the build and give size and position. From horizontal 768 and vertical same 105. Then we have to add fields. For legend we have to choose category and values AP amount. Then we have to give background color. Also open the visual border, and in title we have to give aging colon open balance. Aging colon open balance. Also here font is Sequoia semi-bold and font size is 13, and text color is black and background is white, and choose horizontal in center. After that we have to open the divider and give color lighter black. Then choose line style is dash. Then we have one another option for legends, and in that we have to give color black for legend and close the title. Here we have the option for positions like top left, top right, but here center right is better for the donut chart. Then we have here you from here you can change also colors for the legends. Then in data labels, position is outside, and label content is data value and percentage of total. Then we have value, in that increase the font size 10 and give the black color for data labels. Also you can change from display unit from the here display units, and give also decimal places. So this is our donut chart aging open balance. After that we have another one table is matrix. So from build click on the matrix and give size and position. 75. Okay. Then we have to add fields in the matrix table. In rows we have to add vendor. In columns we have to add category, and in values amount. So these are the fields for our matrix table. Then we have to open give the background color for matrix table, and open visual border also and choose color. Then after that we have grid options. open the horizontal and vertical. In horizontal, don't need to change the color, but in vertical, choose the little bit darker color. And in border, choose black color. In option, increase the row padding. After grid, we have to open the values and increase the font size as 12. Text color black, background color is white. So here we have the alternate color also. So alternate text color is black, but in background color, select the little bit other color. So perfect. Then we have here option, nothing change. After values we have column header. So here also increase the font size and give text color black, background color is white. And in header alignment, first is center and title is left side. So after column headers we have another option for row headers. Here also increase the font size and give text color black, background color is white. Alignment here is left. So after row headers we have to go in column grand totals because subtotals are not in our matrix table. So in grand total we have to choose black color and give the size 12 and make it bold. After column grand total we have row grand total. Size is 12, font size and font is bold and give the text color black. So this is our matrix table for account payables, and this is the our financial dashboard. So thank you.